Goat farming looks simple from the outside. Many people believe that once you buy a few goats, they will multiply quickly and you will start making money. Some people even think goats take care of themselves. They imagine that goats will just graze, grow, reproduce, and profits will come automatically. But the reality on the ground is very different. A large number of goat farmers fail within the first few years. Some lose animals because of diseases, some run out of feed and cannot sustain the herd, others sell their goats at low prices and give up completely. There are also farmers who keep goats for many years but never see any real profit. They remain stuck, working hard but not moving forward financially. The encouraging news is that most of these failures are avoidable. They happen because of common mistakes that many beginners make. These mistakes are not difficult to correct, but they must be understood early. If you avoid them, you increase your chances of success. If you ignore them, goat farming can become stressful and unprofitable. In this video, we are going to look at 10 major reasons why most goat farmers fail and, more importantly, the practical solutions. These are real challenges farmers face every day. The solutions are simple and practical. Whether you are just starting or already raising goats, this information will help you avoid costly mistakes and improve your success. Let us begin with the first reason why many goat farmers fail, which is poor planning. Poor planning is one of the biggest reasons people struggle in goat farming. Many people start because they saw someone else succeed. Others start because they heard goats multiply quickly. Some even start after selling other animals without fully understanding what they are getting into. They buy goats first and think about management later. This approach creates problems from the very beginning. Without planning, a farmer may buy too many goats, another may build poor housing, someone else may forget to plan for feed during dry seasons. These mistakes add up quickly. Soon the farmer is overwhelmed with costs and responsibilities. When things become difficult, they start losing motivation. Planning helps you avoid confusion. It gives you direction. It helps you understand your goals and how to achieve them. Even a simple plan can make a big difference. You do not need a complicated business document. Just decide your purpose. Are you raising goats for meat? Are you focusing on breeding? Are you interested in milk production? Each goal requires slightly different management. Planning also helps you control costs. You can calculate how much housing will cost. You can estimate feed requirements. You can prepare for veterinary expenses. When you know these things in advance, you avoid surprises. Planning also helps you start small. Starting small allows you to learn gradually and reduce risk. After planning, knowledge becomes the next important factor. Many goat farmers fail because they lack proper knowledge. They assume goats are easy animals that require little attention. While goats are hardy, they still need good management. Without knowledge, farmers make mistakes in feeding, breeding, and disease control. For example, some farmers do not know when to deworm goats. Others cannot identify early signs of illness. Some may not know how to select strong breeding animals. These knowledge gaps may seem small, but they have big consequences. Goats may grow slowly. Diseases may spread unnoticed. Productivity may drop. Learning basic goat farming skills is very important. You can visit experienced farmers and observe their management practices. You can ask questions and learn from their experience. You can also watch educational videos and read farming guides. Knowledge builds confidence. The more you learn, the better decisions you make. Continuous learning is also important. Goat farming is not static. Conditions change, weather changes, markets change, new diseases may appear. Staying informed helps you adapt. Successful farmers never stop learning. They keep improving their management practices. Feeding is another major factor that determines success or failure. Poor feeding is one of the fastest ways to fail in goat farming. Goats that do not get enough nutrition grow slowly and produce fewer kids. Their immune system becomes weak. They become more vulnerable to diseases. Some farmers rely only on natural grazing. This works during rainy seasons but becomes a problem during dry periods. When feed is scarce, goats lose weight. Pregnant does may abort or produce weak kids. Milk production drops. Growth rates slow down. This reduces profitability. Feeding problems often lead to frustration because the farmer sees goats but no real progress. The solution is proper feeding management. Provide pasture where possible. Plant fodder crops such as grasses and legumes. Supplement with minerals to improve health. Clean water should always be available. Water is just as important as feed. Goats that lack water cannot utilize feed properly. It is also important to prepare for dry seasons, store hay or other feeds. This ensures continuity. Feeding consistency improves growth and reproduction. Healthy goats perform better and bring higher profits. Health management is equally important. Many goat farmers fail because they focus on treatment instead of prevention. They wait until goats are very sick before taking action. By that time, the disease may have spread to many animals. Treatment becomes expensive and sometimes ineffective. Diseases can destroy a herd quickly. Parasites reduce growth. Infections cause deaths. Weak goats become unproductive. These losses discourage farmers. Preventive care is the best approach. Follow vaccination schedules. Deworm regularly. Keep housing clean and dry. Observe goats daily for signs of illness. Early detection prevents major losses. Isolate sick animals immediately. Prevention saves money and protects your herd. Housing also plays a major role. Poor housing leads to stress and disease. Some goats are kept in muddy areas, others are overcrowded, some shelters lack ventilation. These conditions create unhealthy environments. Wet floors promote parasites and infections. Poor ventilation increases respiratory problems. Overcrowding increases competition for feed. These factors reduce productivity. Kids may die due to cold or damp conditions. Proper housing improves comfort and health. Raised floors keep goats dry. Good ventilation provides fresh air. Enough space reduces stress. Regular cleaning maintains hygiene. Good housing supports overall productivity. Breed selection is another important factor. Choosing the wrong breed can lead to poor performance. Some breeds do not adapt well to certain climates, others may not meet production goals. Farmers sometimes buy goats based on appearance rather than performance. Poor breed selection leads to slow growth and low reproduction. Mortality may increase. This reduces profitability. Selecting breeds suited to your environment improves success. Local breeds often adapt better. Buy healthy animals from reliable sources. Avoid buying weak or very young kids. Strong breeding stock builds a productive herd. Record keeping is often ignored but very important. Without records, farmers cannot track progress. They do not know which goats are productive. They cannot monitor expenses. This leads to poor decision making. Simple records help track breeding, births, and treatments. They help identify profitable animals. They also help manage costs. Record keeping improves planning and productivity. Breeding management is another common challenge. Continuous breeding weakens does. They need recovery time after kidding. Overbreeding reduces kid survival. It also reduces milk production. Controlled breeding improves herd health. Allow rest periods. Separate bucks when not breeding. Breed only healthy animals. This improves productivity. Market planning is also critical. Some farmers raise goats without identifying buyers. When goats are ready, they struggle to sell. They may accept low prices. This reduces profits. Planning markets early ensures better prices. Connect with traders and butchers. Sell during high demand periods, explore different income streams such as breeding stock and manure. Finally, expanding too fast can cause failure. Rapid expansion increases feed demand, housing may become inadequate, disease risk increases, costs rise quickly, slow growth is safer. Expand when resources allow. Sell some goats to generate income, reinvest wisely, focus on quality. Sustainable growth ensures long-term success. Goat farming rewards patience. It requires planning, knowledge, and consistency. Avoiding common mistakes improves profitability. Healthy goats grow faster and reproduce better. Good management reduces costs. With dedication and proper management, goat farming can transform your income. Start small, learn continuously, and grow steadily. Over time, your herd will improve and your profits will increase. Success comes from good decisions and consistent effort. Thanks for watching. For more goats related videos, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and turn on the notification bell.